Alright guys, working on the Audi A4 today, the 2008. We were getting a P0171 error code. We replaced the MAF sensor, we replaced the PCV valve. None of those corrected the problem. However, the issue on this car, while I was throwing the P0171, was the actual oil dipstick. And if you look, it's actually broken right there. And this little O-ring was not seated or sealing the actual dipstick within the engine. And what was happening is it was sitting like this with a little bit of air seeping in, and that's what caused it to throw the code. So we bought a new dipstick. It properly seats now. You can hear it click in, and once we put that in, the error code was gone. So check your dipstick, make sure it's pushed in all the way. If I would have just noticed that, would have saved me a MAF sensor and a PCV valve cost. This was about 90 bucks, this was about 20 bucks. Would have saved me about 100 bucks and some time. So in my case, the conclusion was the dipstick was not seated correctly in the engine. It was also broken at the tip right here. As you can see, this little O-ring, it should sit like that. That's broken. This tip right here. So pops in and we're good to go. So no more P0171. Very simple fix. If I would have just looked at this and seen that this piece was broken and it wasn't sealing. So hope this helps you out. This is the last version of these videos, and that's our conclusion. There's no more P0171 error code. Appreciate you watching.